Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And I wanted to share with you a Cybertruck that we're removing the PPF from. Now, we didn't install the PPF on this truck. It was originally with clear PPF, and the customer came to us once the clear PPF removed, and we're gonna recolor it with T-Max color PPF, make it look beautiful. This is an old install. So there's been a lot of talk on the internet about PPF and it's gonna ruin the stainless steel and all that kind of stuff and the dangers of putting PPF on stainless steel. I wanted to do a video here, just show you what this thing looks like and add some truth to the situation. Let's go ahead and check this one out. All right, so we've already removed some of the PPF from the front grille here, and you can see all kinds of evidence of PPF glue. Now, this is not unusual. If this was a painted car and we removed the PPF, we would have the same type evidence of the PPF glue separating from the PPF film. It makes kind of a mess, and it's going to take some solvent effort just to wipe this off and get it clean. But there's no evidence of the stainless steel rusting, rotting, or becoming a problem. It's just, this is normal PPF removal. This is what it looks like. Doesn't matter if it's painted or stainless steel. So this is a car or a Cybertruck that's had the PPF on for a long time, been out in the wild, been hot, cold, whatever, but it's not gonna be a problem. There is no evidence of any permanent damage. It's just gonna take some effort to get that cleaned off, but it's no different than it would have been if it was painted. So stay tuned. We're gonna recolor this. We'll do a video. This truck will be transformed and looking beautiful again. All right, everybody. Hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment below, or if you got a question about PPF or vinyl, put it in the comments below. Be happy to answer it. Thanks, everybody.